The Nikon KeyMission 360 is a shockproof, waterproof, spherical 360-degree action camera. It's an ideal companion for thrill seekers looking for a more immersive way of sharing their adventures. The KeyMission 360 is built around two 20-megapixel CMOS sensors located on either side of the body and is capable of 4K video capture and 24-megapixel stills. It can also record time-lapse movies. Standout features include electronic vibration reduction for added stability, removable lens shields, and a 1/4-inch threaded socket for easy mounting. The KeyMission 360 features Nikon's wireless SnapBridge system for real-time image viewing from a smartphone. The SnapBridge app can also be used to power up the camera, adjust settings, shoot remotely, and transfer photos and videos. The KeyMission 360 represents Nikon's entrance into a new and exciting segment of the action camera market. For more information about the Nikon KeyMission 360 and all things photographic, head to dpreview.com.
QooCam can easily capture everything around with a 360-degree sphere of imagery, true 4K, shake-free shots, and capture the world in 3D. VR180. You can change to the 3D mode with unique rotating design and seize the moment in more dimensions with the groundbreaking depth-based technology. Refocus. Background editor. QooCam supports the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth control with your smartphone and directly linked up with USB cable to watch, edit, share, and go live right away. Tap to direct. Smart Track, Slow Motion. QooCam is the unique 3-lenses camera that combines the most intriguing features of 360 and stereo filming technology to create the coolest video ever.
The E4K Plus action camera. They call us the GoPro killer. The Sony IMX377 image sensor combined with the Ambarella H2 chipset provides excellent image quality. It can capture phenomenal 4K at 60 frames per second, making it the world's first action camera to shoot 4K 60 FPS. The 155-degree wide-angle lens lets you get panoramic views of the world, and the 2.2-inch Gorilla Glass LCD touchscreen is ultra-responsive with a highly intuitive user interface, so previewing your shots, changing modes and settings is smooth and effortless. Electronic image stabilization at 4K 30 FPS steadies the action, and live streaming lets you share your world. You can even capture 12-megapixel still images and so much more. The E4K Plus includes a rechargeable lithium battery and a USB Type-C cable. Just add a micro SD card. The E4K Plus, from the new leader in action cameras.